Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick some cards and see what pops out today. Take in what resonates and leave out the rest. Stuck in lack. You have all the resources you need to carry you through, whether it's financial, emotional, or physical limitations that you think you have. It is only ego-based fears taking over. Rein them in and don't give up. You are stronger than you know. You are stronger than you think and more than you know. Be curious and determined. And what else do we need to hear today? Still listening. I listen to the music you've shared with me. It helps me to connect with you, although we are apart. Is there someone in your life that you are no longer with at the moment? You embody growth and transformation. Everything you experience has led you to where you are now. Take a moment to reflect on how you've grown and changed. What are some tangible markers of your growth and transformation? Reflect and send appreciation to honor the power of your growth. Alrighty, and today's little quotes. I give myself permission to be my authentic self. I embrace my vulnerability and I choose to show up in the world without any masks. Everything falls into place when you don't resist the flow of meandering pathway of life. Allow the path to take you where you need to go. Don't hurry it or resist it. Simply let go, surrender, and enjoy the journey. I am a magnet for loving and nurturing relationships that support my growth and happiness. All is well. Say yes to life and let your doubts dissolve. Don't wait until the future. Live life now. You do not need to struggle or suffer to grow. You can grow leaps and bounds amid joy. I am willing to release any resentment or bitterness from my heart. I give myself permission to relax and let go. All is well. And the last one today. I am worthy. I have always been worthy. I give myself permission to fully believe it. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.